In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable supplemental sources in Google Merchant Center next. So if you go up here to this cog icon first, and if you go into data sources, as you can see over here, you don't have the option to switch between primary sources and supplemental sources. So to be able to get this, it's actually quite simple. Go out of here, out of data sources, click on the cog item yet again, so over here this cog icon, and then go to add-ons. And inside the Discover add-ons, you want to make sure you add this one, which is called Advanced Data Source Management. So click Add over here, and then click Add again to confirm it. And as you can see, it will take you to your add-ons. And in here, you will now be able to see your Advanced Data Source Management. Now, you can just close this down again and go back to this cog icon, click on Data Sources, and in here, you can now see your supplemental sources added over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.